Ever wondered how a massive chunk of scrap metal is transformed into a high-quality steel product? Well, the secret lies in a powerful machine known as the electric arc furnace. The electric arc furnace, or EAF, is a marvel of engineering that has revolutionized the steel-making industry. Unlike traditional methods that rely on iron ore, the EAF process uses predominantly scrap metal, making it a more sustainable and efficient method of production. Output. To understand the magic behind this process, imagine a giant cauldron that's capable of holding up to hundreds of tons of scrap metal. This is the electric arc furnace. The journey begins with loading this scrap metal into the furnace. Massive cranes, wielding giant magnets, are employed to move the scrap metal from the yard into the furnace. Once the furnace is filled to the brim, the real magic begins. 3 large graphite electrodes, each potentially as wide as a grown man's waist, descend from above. As they near the scrap, they unleash a spectacular display of raw power in the form of an electric arc. This arc can reach temperatures of up to 3,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to reduce the toughest scrap metal to a molten state. This, however, is just the beginning. To ensure the molten metal is of the highest quality, several additional elements are added to the mix. Lime and fluorspar, for instance, are introduced to help remove impurities and control the chemistry of the steel. The furnace then enters a phase known as the refining period. Here, the temperature and composition of the steel are carefully monitored and adjusted. The impurities, known as slag, rise to the top and are periodically skimmed off. Finally, after the refining process is complete, the molten steel is ready to be tapped. The furnace tilts, and the molten steel pours out into a ladle, ready for the next stage of its journey to becoming a finished steel product. To quickly recap, the electric arc furnace process is a multi-step journey that begins with scrap metal and ends with high-quality steel. It involves loading the scrap, melting it with an electric arc, adding elements to refine the steel, and finally, tapping the molten steel into a ladle. This process is not only efficient but also environmentally friendly, as it predominantly uses scrap metal. The electric arc furnace has truly revolutionized the steelmaking industry, turning what was once considered waste into a valuable resource. And there you have it, the fascinating journey of scrap metal to steel in an electric arc furnace. A testament to human ingenuity and the power of engineering. The next time you see a steel product, remember the incredible journey it has taken from scrap to steel in the heart of an electric arc furnace.